Hello my friends, ThePhatGreek here. Today we're going to make chicken souvlaki. It's a traditional Greek kebab or sasati as people would call it. We call it souvlaki, and today I'm going to show you how to make a souvlaki with some tzatziki, and it's going to be amazing. Here we go.
This souvlaki recipe is really easy and it's a must try at home. Take your chicken breasts and cut them into cubes. I cut them about 2 inches thick. After that, it was time to put it in a bowl and get the marinade ready for the chicken. I started off cutting 2 lemons, cut them into quarters, and then I squeezed 2 lemons into the chicken and I left the skins in there as well. After that, I took some garlic, chopped it up finely and put it in. Then I used oregano, salt and pepper, and the marinade was done. I put it in the fridge for the flavors to infuse into the chicken for about 30 minutes. For the garnish, we're going to use chopped tomatoes and chopped red onions for full Greek flavor, because that's what they do in Greece and that's what we're doing here. Now it's time to make our homemade tzatziki. I used double cream yogurt, then I took some garlic and finely grated it. Then I grated some cucumber, and now the secret to tzatziki comes. You've got to get the water out of the cucumber, so put it in a cloth and drain the water. You can't miss this step, otherwise your tzatziki is going to be very watery. After that, take your cucumber and put it into your tzatziki. Then I used some oregano, some salt, some pepper, and after that I put half a lemon in and the tzatziki was ready. Now for the chicken souvlaki. I put about 5 cubes of chicken per souvlaki. I didn't want to make them too big for each souvlaki. Then it was time to put them on the coals. I cooked it about 6 minutes each side until it was perfectly cooked. Look how delicious these turned out. Just a little tip for your pita bread, put it on the coal, put a little bit of olive oil on and just grill it on each side. Now to build my souvlaki in pita. First put the tzatziki, then the chopped onions and chopped tomatoes, then the chicken skewer, and it's ready. Fold it up and the deliciousness was absolutely real. My mom said this is the best chicken souvlaki outside of Greece she's ever had.
My friends, this chicken souvlaki, homemade tzatziki, red onions, tomato, with a fried pizza bread, it just is amazing. It reminds me of Greece. I'm South African, but I'm Greek and I love this. Cheers. That is incredible. That is absolutely incredible. Wow, this is amazing. Guys, you gotta try this. Keep cooking, beautiful people.